Beam elements are a very powerful way of simplifying the modeling of long and slender components in the design. However, as one-dimensional elements, beam visualization can be difficult. For post-processing, many solvers require you to define the points of interest on the cross-section where data will be recovered ahead of the analysis. The trouble is, you don't necessarily know where to expect the highest stresses, and shear distribution details cannot be readily determined or visualized with most programs. Femap provides a lot of functionality to help view beam cross-sections and offsets, and beam shear force and bending moment diagrams for post-processing. Now you can also view results on the beam cross-section itself, making it much easier and quicker to gain a full comprehension of beam behavior post-analysis. With Femap, you can visualize the complete stress distribution and shear flows on beam cross-sections. When visualizing the stresses, you can simply view a single element or specify a selection of elements to include. In addition, you can calculate additional stress output that is not normally included with the output from the solver, such as von Mises stresses. You also have complete control over the force components that are used to calculate the stresses, so you can visualize stresses due to axial loading only, or bending only, or shear only. The forces themselves, axial, shear, and bending, can be recovered from any solver. For each element, you can also view multiple cross-section contours, or dynamically move the contoured cross-section up and down the beam for all selected elements. So, viewing results from beam elements, typically the most difficult elements to visualize easily, becomes much easier and quicker in Femap with the ability to view contours on beam cross-sections.